Hello everyone. In this video, let's get started with Python programming. After successful installation of VS Code software, you will get a welcome screen like this. I'll close this screen and click on the Explorer bar on the left hand side corner of your screen. Here you can see option Open Folder. So I'll just click on Open Folder. We'll create a new folder on desktop. Right click Create New Folder. I'll name my folder as Python. So once you have created folder, you can select that folder. That folder will be opened in VS Code editor. I'll just close this getting started window. So here you can observe we have got Python folder. In this folder, we'll create a new file. So I'll name this file as firstprogram.py. So Python files are always saved with .py extension. So once you create this file, you will be getting a workspace where you will be writing all your codes. Now, I'll hide this Explorer bar. To hide that, just click on this Explorer bar. Just write a simple program to print Welcome to Gogetmyguru on output terminal. For that, I'll use print function, single quotes. I'll type a message, Welcome to Gogetmyguru. If I run this code, I should get Welcome to Gogetmyguru on terminal. So this is your output terminal. On the terminal window, you can observe Welcome to Gogetmyguru is printed. So let's make a little change in the code. Instead of single quotes, let me use double quotes and check what happens. Let's run this code. Still, Welcome to Gogetmyguru is printing. So we can infer from this, even if we use single quote or double quotes, print function is taking both. Now I'll show you how we can directly open our working file in VS Code. To do that, we'll go to the folder we have created. I'll click on this folder we have created. In the path, just type cmd. It will take you to command prompt. In the command prompt, type code space dot and hit enter. It will take you to VS Code where your working file will be opened. So you can observe here our first program file has been opened here. So big thumbs up to everyone. We have written our first code in Python. To watch out more videos on Python, stay tuned to our channel and also subscribe to our channel and help us to grow.